Hello kids. 15 fascinating snakes.
Wow!
Bright green snake that lives in trees. Babies are yellow or red and change color as they grow. The longest venomous snake can grow up to 18 feet. It can raise 1/3 of its body and hiss loudly. Has a rattle at the end of its tail that sounds like a warning bell.
Wow!
It rattles before attacking like a natural alarm. One of the heaviest snakes can weigh over 200 kilograms. Can stay underwater for 10 minutes. Small but very poisonous. Its colorful pattern warns predators, stay away. One of the largest snakes can grow over 20 feet long. Swallows prey whole and hides in water. Yes, it glides through the air. It flattens its body and jumps from tree to tree. Pretends to be dead when scared.
Wow!
Flips over, sticks out tongue, and acts like a drama star. Looks like a coral snake but not venomous. Colorful stripes trick predators. Lives in the ocean and is highly venomous. Can hold its breath for up to 2 hours. Rolls into a ball when frightened. Popular pet snake for kids and beginners. Powerful constrictor hugs its prey to stop it from breathing.
Whoa! Wow!
Doesn't use venom. Small and friendly snake with rosy color. Slow moving and calm, great for learning. One of the fastest and deadliest snakes in the world. Can slither at 20 kilometers per hour like a sports car. Thin green snake that blends with vines.
Whoa! Wow!
Almost invisible in trees, master of camouflage. Snakes are not slimy, they're dry and scaly. Some snakes are dangerous, so don't touch them. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.
Goodbye!